DRDO Defense Research and Development Organization recruitment for the post of Junior Research Fellowship and Research Associate in CHESS Hyderabad Division. This is the official website, and this is the notification where you can just check this. And application form, you just click here, you will get application form. This is the advertisement number. The link for this is given in the description. So Center for High Energy Systems and Sciences, CHESS, DRDO, Ministry of Defense. Advertisement for the award of DRDO Research Associate and Junior Research Fellowship. And the streams eligible for Research Associate are Physics Applied, Applied Physics or Optics, Laser Technology, Laser Adaptive Optics or Optoelectronics or Photonics. So the essential education qualification is PhD or equivalent degree in the respective disciplines, or having 3 years of research or teaching experience or design in development of experience after MTech in either any streams, that is electronics or electrical or applied physics or control systems, with at least one publication in Science Citation Index of SCI journal. So experience is adaptive optics or related area. This is for the post of Research Associate. For the post of Research Associate, the same is the criteria. You should have some prior experience or a PhD degree. And for the post of Junior Research Fellowship, the requisite qualification is postgraduate degree in relevant discipline, that is in the field of physics or applied optics or laser technology or adaptive optics or optoelectronics or photonics. So eligibility criteria is postgraduate. The number of vacancies are 5 vacancies for this stream of physics or optoelectronics, and you should have postgraduate degree in MTech with good score, that is good grades. And for the post of Mechanical Engineering, that is 1 vacancy of Junior Research Fellowship. The requisite education qualification is graduate degree in professional course, BTech in first division with NET, or you need to have valid GATE score or NET score in mechanical engineering if you have bachelor degree, or postgraduate degree in professional course in first division at both graduate and postgraduate level. So the consolidated amount before that, the upper age criteria for Research Associate is 35 years and 28 years for JRF, that is Junior Research Fellowship, is 28 years. The stipend for Research Associate is 54,000 for a maximum of 2 years, and for stipend for JRF is 31,000 rupees per month for a maximum period of 2 years depending upon the project. And the apply format will be based on you need to send your detailed application form, that is you need to scan your minimum education qualifications, SSC or matriculation, birth certificate and supporting documents like GATE or NET score, and valid application form. You need to scan them, and you need to upload in one particular PDF format, in a single PDF format, and you need to email to this mail ID hrd@chess.drdo.in. and this is a notification given date. This is the advertisement number. So if you are eligible, please to apply for this post of a Junior Research Fellowship or Research Associate. So this is regarding the vacancies, and if you have any queries you can email them regarding the Research Associate post or Junior Research Fellowship.